Are you tired of not being able to use banking apps and features on your rooted Android device? Look no further, because in this video I will be showing you how to pass the SafetyNet basic integrity and CTS Profile Match checks on Android 13 and regain access to those locked banking apps without having to unroot your phone. First, I will explain what is SafetyNet and why it is used. Google put SafetyNet in place as a security measure to make sure that the device running the app is in a non-safe state. This means if your device is rooted or has been tampered with in any way, it will fail the SafetyNet check and certain apps and features will be locked. But if you have the right tools and know how, you can easily bypass the SafetyNet basic integrity and CTS Profile Match checks and get back to using the apps and features that were locked, usually giving errors like you cannot access this application because it appears that your device is rooted. I will guide you step by step on how to use Magisk and modules like the Universal Safety Net Packs and Shamiko to pass the check and get back to using your device to its full potential. So without further wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, make sure to install the Safety Net Checker app. Now I will open the SafetyNet Attestation Checker app and run the test. As you can see, I am getting the basic integrity and CTS profile match failed. Now, to pass the basic integrity test, you need to enable zygisk from Magisk settings. Open the Magisk app, tap on setting icon. Now scroll down and find the zygisk. Tap on it to enable it. So after enabling the zygisk, you need to reboot your phone to apply the changes. So once that is done, tap on the after reboot, tap on the configure deny list. Now I will select the UBL digital app, that is my banking app. So you need to select your apps that are giving you or preventing you from opening, and also select Google Play Services, Google Play Store. Also make sure to check the all processes under the Play Services Play Store. As you can see, I am doing it now. And now do the same for Play Store app. Now I will go back and open my banking app that was not recently opening. Now as you can see, it is working fine. And I will also show you the SafetyNet Attestation Checker app. I will run SafetyNet Attestation again. Now as you can see, basic integrity test is passed, but CTS Profile Match is still giving fail error. So I will tap on module and install a custom module. Tap on modules and tap on install from storage. Now select the SafetyNet packs. The link is given in the description, so don't worry. Now tap on it to install. Now it is installed. Tap on reboot. It will reboot your phone. Unlock your phone. Now run the SafetyNet Attestation Checker app and run the test. Now as you can see, CTS Profile Match is also passed. So congratulations, you are almost done. Now my app was already working with the basic integrity test, but now everything is working fine. So if you are still getting errors, then I will recommend you to install another module called Shamiko. So install from storage The link is also given in the description, so don't worry. Install the module and reboot your phone. Now again unlock your phone and I will show you that module is installed, but as you can see it is giving error that deny list is enabled, so it will not work. Tap on home button again and go to settings and tap on enforce deny list to disable it. Now again run the app and it should be working fine. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.